Hi friends, this is Ananta Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty, then Nifty, and with one stock, and that one stock got achieved the target. So we will discuss later after this Nifty analysis. So yesterday we discussed about the same pattern. Every correction's got 1000 to 1400 points, every correction. So that means from starting from here, this is a weekly chart what I'm showing here. See this from this 9900 example, and this is the 8750. So later onwards here and here, it's every corrections, the ABC corrections is got nearly 1000 to 1400 points the correction, and it is in the ABC formation. So in this weekly, it is A, B, and C, and the previous fourth way, and took it as a support, as I said. And today also, yesterday I informed that maybe one more low can possible, and then again what it can should or it can bounce. So today it did that same way as we expected. So one correction is got completed. Whether it is going to be a complex correction or from here it can shoot for that my target of 19,500, or it can be about 20,700, that we will have to wait and watch. So now let's move on to that our 15-minute chart. Yesterday I informed that one more three-way can happen, and it can took all the stop loss here. After that it bounced. So from here also there is a possibility. What I'm talking about, the possibility, it's not it has to happen. See, one ABC is got completed here, ABC is got completed, and here also ABC is got completed if it is a three-way structure. But sometimes if we took it this as a W, this as a X, this as a Y, as per the Elliott wave theory, sometimes ABC become ABC become B, and C wave need a five-way structure. And what it will happen here is what we thought from here, today's low, it can be bounce, but later onwards what we'll do tomorrow, it can do like this, and it may again bounce. So yesterday also I said the same thing, and again you are talking about this, it can break this low, and later onwards you will say this, it can break this low. The pattern what we expected yesterday is not happened today. That is why I am explaining. See, from here I need, see, this is looking like an one impulsive wave. This is looking like an one impulsive wave. What I thought here is 1, 2, 3. Later onwards it can go above the high, and it will took this high. So this becomes ABC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 I expected. But here what it did, see, it's all our view only. What I'm talking, it may be wrong also what I'm explaining here, because in stocks and forex is entirely different. I have informing from the previous itself. If I took it this as an impulsive wave, wait a minute, I will come this as an impulsive wave of A, this could be the ABCB, and this five-way structures could be a C. So later onwards this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So still there is a chances. But previous what I expected, if it did like this and one more low, means this is a definitely it has to bounce from here, and it is already did. But this five-way structure may be a trap for the retailers, and it will took all the stop loss again. So maybe one more low can happen. It's not compulsory, but it can happen. But if you mind this, this is the WX. So this is the A, this is the B, means 1, 2, 3, and if it is somewhat 4 is got ended here, and the fifth way is already ended, means this is the low of this year, it could be. So from here I'm expecting that 19,500 to 20,700 can happen from here. Okay, from here, so the two options are what I already informed here and explained. So from here or from here, if it is sorry, if it is bouncing back, so whether we can consider this as an impulsive wave or it could be still in the correction, we can't predict here. We can predict it could bounce from here. In this kind of such a situation, it can bounce from here, but we can't predict whether this is the impulsive wave start of the fifth wave. Later onwards, it could make a triangle, or it can do from the three-way structure like this. It can break the previous high, and later onwards, it can do like this also. It did the same thing in Raymond. I will show you that. And that the Raymond is got achieved, the target is got achieved today. So this is that pattern I'm expecting in this SGX Nifty. So it could be the same thing in Nifty also. The same thing in the Nifty. So whether it is bouncing from here or it could be one more low is also available to that 17,100. It could be, and later onwards I'm expecting the same structure, whether it is for fifth wave or it is still fourth wave is still ahead in the formation of a triangle or a regular flat or irregular. Regular flat, it's not, I think it won't happen still. It could be a regular flat or it could be a running triangle or it could be a regular triangle can happen here. So what is the next stock we are going to discuss about in I think it's a 26th, yeah, 23rd October. I shared my Raymond view in this Nifty plus one stock, what we are doing regularly. Yesterday, I updated about the Bank Nifty, and today the Raymond got achieved that target. So you just go through, and I given the link in the description about this one. So now I am expecting from here, I will just to scroll back this, I will mute this because it may be echo. So my target is, the first target is got 582,600 is my first target. So today, if you watching this, you just go through the structure for this Raymond, and you may now come to know that my target is got achieved. So what is the next? I will keep updating in my chart. So otherwise in this, so let's move on to this on 23rd. You just note it down, 23rd October, and I will given that link also in the description. So let's close this and we will discuss about the Raymond. What is the next it can do? So and Raymond, yeah, because I already booked the profit and exited. That is why I already the red flag has been removed here. See what I did here is I already bought it from the 400 zone and keep expecting this. It has a chances for making a 360, 1 2 3 like that. It may happen. That is why I have already did. But once it broken this high, I thought the regular flat is valid, not valid. So it is an irregular flat formation, and it did the same thing what I expected, and it is in that trend line channel, equidistant channel. So exactly it got from here. It's a massive. What I did is yesterday, while all the market is falling, only this one it's achieved the 520. What I thought is anyway I'm looking for the three-way structure. See, these are all that happens to everyone, so including myself. What I thought is this is a b c b, so one more low can break this. So what I did is I exited my off positions 50%. What I bought at the 400, I exited 520, nearly 30%. I got profit and expecting for this, and today morning it's a gap up open and I achieved my target. So I exited my position at 570. 570. Once this got its enter and this channel, so once it got exertion, I exited my positions and I booked the profit at 570. So my target is got achieved. So what count is this? As I informed previous itself, this is a formation. It's looking like a diagonal formation. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3. So here is an irregular flat formation. So this is now it's a fourth, and now here it's a EA, it's a 5-way structure. So B is an irregular flat formation, and you know very well about, if you are an Elliott wave trader, C will shoot. That is the thing here. Today it happened. Today only it's a 17% movement, like the zeal. You know very well about that zeal. 40% in one day, and I booked the profit and I exited, and again I buy back at everything at 285, and again I keep on booking the profit at 325, and again I buy back at the 300. Now it is in profit. So once the trend is got decided, we need to trade according to that. That's it. So this is my Raymond. I have updated, and the target is got achieved. The first target is got achieved, but the second target is nearly 850. So this zone is the next target. So what will be the next? So if we missed and even I exited all my positions, so what I will wait for this pattern. So I'm expecting one previous structures need to happen, whether it could be a bigger or it could be a small one. That we have to watch, and then only I will tell. But instead of that, so 1 2 3 4 5, and it is got already achieved, and this is the third wave I informed in that video also. So somewhat, if it is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the wave 3, means I may missed out this all the profits. Otherwise, if any chance, if I entered somewhere, if it is giving the three-way structure, or it can go above this zone, the 700, and if it is any three-way structure, then I will come to let you know that in my videos. So thanks for watching, and you hope you enjoyed and you learned something and you are making money. But this is only for the educational purposes. What I'm sharing, I'm not promoting any stocks to buy or sell. So thanks for watching, and we will see you at the same time for the tomorrow pre-market predictions. Bye.